Hello children! I hope you are enjoying all the videos of class 2 and gaining a good knowledge on various concepts. Today we will have a fun session. Play and enjoy. We will learn the names of the games and varieties of games played in our country. Shall we accompany Meena to see what kind of games she plays? Learning objective. After watching the video, you could list out games that you play inside and outside the school. Keywords. Tossing. Throw somewhere lightly or casually. Bushes, a shrub with stems of moderate length. Indoor games, games played within a building or enclosed space. Outdoor games, games played in open spaces like fields, grounds, or parks. Social skills, a child's ability to interact and communicate effectively with others in various situations outside our home, means in the society. Concept map.
One sunny morning, Meena woke up very excited. It was a no-school day and her parents said today she can play all her favorite games. Meena smiled wide. She called her friends Raju, Priya and Arav to come over. First, they went outside to play in the garden.
Let's play Coco.
Everyone ran fast, trying not to get caught. They laughed and shouted, Raju, Priya, Arav.
Run, run!
Even Meena's dog, Moti, joined in, barking happily. Next, they played gilli danda. Arav showed how to hit the small gilli with the danda. Whack! The gilli flew far into the bushes. They all ran to find it. After a while, the sun burning too hot.
Let's go inside and play indoor games.
So they went in, drank cool water and sat on the floor.
Let's play carom.
They took turns hitting the striker. Priya won by pocketing the queen. Then they played Ludo. Meena's green got to the finish line first.
Eee!
She clapped. Next played Ali Guli Mane. Palanguzi or Palanguli or Vanaguntalu, where players use 2 rows of 7 holes each. Each player owns the row of holes closest to them. The game starts with 70 pieces, usually tamarind seeds or small shells, with 5, 7 or 12 in each hole. They all got tired. Before going home, they all sat together and said, Indian games are so much fun, outdoor or indoor. Meena smiled and said,
Let's play again tomorrow.
Playing games help improve academic and social skills. Games make learning fun, improve thinking abilities, and bring up teamwork and communication. They also provide a platform for practicing skills to live in the society, like sharing, for developing problem solving and careful planning skills. Children, do you want to know about more games, which gives a lot of fun?
Yes, Uncle.
First, let me check the names of the games which you know. Observe the following picture. Put a tick mark for games you play at home and in school. Fill the name in the box provided.
Hide and seek. All children will hide in different places. One child should find out all the hidden children. Gulli Gundu. Game where marbles are aimed into a hole is commonly called kancha or marbles. It's also known as Goli Kali or Gulli Gundu. Ball game. One person tries to catch the ball thrown by the opposite person. Gilli Danda or Karra Billa. It is a traditional outdoor game played with two sticks. A longer one called Danda or Karra and a smaller pointed one called the Gilli or Billa. The game involves striking the gilli with the danda to make it fly and then hitting it again in the air to send it further. Snakes and ladders. Game played with the help of specific game board and dice.
Good, Priya. Name the games you play in groups with your friends. Write the names of 4 such games here.
Hopscotch, caroms, cricket, king and queen.
Yes, Meena, good. Activity. Observe the following pictures. Where are they playing these games? Put a tick mark in the space provided.
Activity. Here is a list of some outdoor games and indoor games. Put a tick mark in the correct column.
Now I understood one thing very clearly, that games played within a building or enclosed space are called indoor games. Games played in open spaces like fields, grounds or parks are called outdoor games.
Observe these games. Fill the box with the blue color if it is indoor game and fill the green color if it is an outdoor game.
Father, what is Pachata?
The game of Pachita involves throwing stones up in the air and catching them. The steps consist of tossing up one stone at a time and picking up one or more from the ground while the tossed stone is in the air.
Activity. Name the object, join the dots, and color the pictures. The name of the game is spinning top or bongaram. Ball. Activity. Write names of the materials used in playing these games in the space provided. Sing and enjoy. That's all for today, students. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood that playing Indian games help us stay active, happy, and brings friends together. For more videos like this, like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.